Hello, so today I will be showing you my filter selection and how to do noise suppression in OBS. As you can see, those filters are already on because I don't want to scare you right from the beginning. When you click on your audio source and in filters, you can see a whole list of your filters which are available. Probably you've got this empty if you never set your filters. As you see, I've got 6 and 3 of them are kind of noise suppression. Let me check what is how meaningful those noise suppression are. I will just deactivate them for a moment. And now you probably should hear a lot of background noise, and a voice should be really blurry, and hopefully you hear the change. Let me just go and set them on. So how to set those filters? Basically, you have to click this plus icon and you will see that noise suppression is already by default available to you. I'm just using the RN noise higher quality gate, and this is the only thing you set up there. Next is Reaper and Gate. Those are Reaper plugins. In order to have Reaper plugins installed, you have to go to Reaper FM RIA plugins page and download depending on the system you are on. I've got 64-bit system, so I'm downloading this version and then install it in default directory, which is already set up. When you do this properly, in the plus icon, you will see that VSTS plugins will be available, and you can add a new plugin and select which exactly plugin you want. So this is already behind us, and I've got Reaper standalone set. Reaper, basically, when you open it, let you create noise profile. When you go silent and click this and check this check mark, the build noise profile will begin, and it will just show you what in this red line will show you the background noise profile you will be using. And after you uncheck this check mark, build will be done, and you can now speak, and based on this red line, other noise will be filtered out. That's it. You can also adjust this each time you are using OBS and your background noise is changing by automatically build noise profile each time. And last one is Gate. Gate basically lets you clear the sounds when they are lower than this bar. I've set it to the middle setting because I've got a lot of background noise, but basically most of them are already filtered with 2 other filters, so you shouldn't be hearing anything. But if you do, then you will cut everything which is lower than the toggle from your recording. You have to also remember that when you do that, you can also, if you set the toggle too high, you will filter beginning of your words, and it will sound dramatically. Let me change this for a while so you can see. I don't know if you can see the difference. But there's possibility that. So did you see the difference? It was possibility that my words were cut in the middle or at the beginning, depending on the gate. I've set it to this section, but it's of course is based on your all settings, and you have to manually adjust it for your own benefit. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this, and let me real quick show you how it sounds without those gates, those noise suppression filters on, and how it sounds when my suppression filters are on. If you enjoyed this video, please leave sub or like or anything. Or if you have any question, add the comment. I will monitor them and respond in time. Thank you and see you soon. Of course, look at my other OBS tutorials or any tech tutorials I have on my channel. See you later.